In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your TradingView chart by showing or hiding all drawings. Whether you're looking for a clean workspace or just trying to declutter your chart for a more focused analysis, these simple steps will help you maintain a clear view of your trading indicators and drawings. Let's dive in and walk through both the desktop method and using the object tree. First, we'll explore how to use the eye icon to manage your drawings on the desktop version. Begin by locating the eye icon on the bottom of your chart. It's prominently placed there for ease of access, so you can quickly make changes as needed. Once you find this icon, go ahead and give it a click. A menu will appear, and you'll see options like Hide All Drawings or Show All Drawings. Depending on whether you want to clear your chart or bring back your previous annotations, simply select the appropriate option. This feature is particularly useful for traders who frequently switch between different analyses and need to quickly reset their view without losing any precious work. Moving on to another powerful tool within TradingView, the object tree. This feature offers a more nuanced control over individual elements on your chart. Look toward the right-hand side of the screen for the button labeled Object Tree. Clicking this will open a sidebar displaying a detailed list of all your current drawings, indicators, and other chart objects. From here, you can manage each item individually. Perhaps you only want to hide certain annotations or remove specific indicators. The object tree is perfect for that. You can selectively show, hide, or completely delete individual drawings. This enables a more tailored chart view, aligning perfectly with your current analytic goals. The ability to quickly show and hide drawings without losing them enhances productivity and ensures that your trading environment remains organized. It also means you don't have to create new charts or repeatedly adjust settings every time you switch your focus. This feature is incredibly beneficial for day traders or anyone who wants to maintain multiple strategies on a single chart without any visual clutter. In summary, whether you choose to use the eye icon for broad strokes or delve into the object tree for detailed management, mastering these functions will streamline your TradingView experience. You'll find your chart organization elevated to the next level, allowing for more effective and efficient market analysis. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.